When your goal is to lose weight or eating healthier, it's common to experience severe cravings. The last thing you want to do is eat a bag of chips after enjoying a refreshing salad. Yet, that's exactly what happens to dieters. What's the cause of common slip-ups? Why do people break their diet and start including the wrong foods at the wrong time? To help you out, we at Dherbs have outlined some tips and tricks for you. This week, we're covering the top 5 common diet mistakes that make cravings worse. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, your snacking is lacking. Diets don't restrict you from snacking, but there are snacks that are more nutritious than others. A seemingly filling snack may induce hunger cravings for sugary or salty treats, depending on what you eat. The ideal snack is a perfect combination of protein and fiber and doesn't exceed 200 calories per serving. Fiber works to satiate you, making you less prone to reach for unhealthy treats. Number 2, you don't eat enough during the day. It's easy to spend the evening hours on the couch in front of your TV. Unfortunately, many people equate TV time with snack time, which can lead to overeating. You should ideally consume the majority of your calories during the day, making lunch the largest meal. The reason for this is because limiting food during the day can cause overeating at night. You won't just eat a larger dinner, rather you'll continue snacking after dinner's over. When you eat too much in the evening, it's common to experience heartburn or digestive discomfort, which can negatively affect sleep. Don't save up daytime calories for nighttime meals and snacks. Number 3, you don't address your stress. Mental health plays a larger role in diet than you realize. This isn't just about willpower, rather, too much stress in the body creates cravings for unhealthy foods. When you can't control stress, the adrenal glands release cortisol, which amps up appetite and the motivation to eat. When cortisol levels remain high, the person doesn't often consider what they should eat or if it's approved for their diet. They just eat whatever's in sight because they can't think straight. Numerous studies have found that high stress levels cause people to choose foods that are higher in fats and sugars. The combination of excess stress with high blood sugar levels causes excess ghrelin production, which increases hunger and cravings. Number 4, your eating is too restrictive. Yes, this is indeed a thing. Some diets require you to eat in an unrealistic way that can not only be incredibly difficult, but also too different from what you know. It's not a negative thing to eat outside of your comfort zone, but restricting too much can cause you to pig out in an unhealthy way. Avoiding sweets or any sweet ingredient for the rest of time will cause you to crave sweets and cave very quickly. A reasonable treat here and there will keep you from losing control. Don't be too restrictive, or else you'll end up in the fridge with a cake in your hand and chocolate on your face, wondering how you got there. Number 5, you keep temptations in the house. When you know that a box of cookies is in your cabinet, the mental battle is always on. How long will you survive against the processed temptation? If you're watching TV at night and want a cookie, you're going to go get it. The cookie may turn into 4, which may turn into 10. If you don't keep temptations in the house, you're less likely to eat them. If you reach in the cabinet to grab a handful of cashews and see barbecue chips, it's only a matter of time before you're licking the chip residue off your fingers. Surround yourself with healthier food options and get rid of any foods that will tempt you to cheat on your diet. Some people choose eating plans to avoid a health problem, while others use them to aid with weight loss. You can avoid the disappointing mindset of a dietary mess-up when you stop making these mistakes. That's all for this week. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next week for another Dherbs Weekly Top 5.